Hello, I'm David Batkola and welcome to Exploring Oregon. Today we're in North Portland in the charming neighborhood of Arbor Lodge, and we're doing a property tour of one of these condo units behind me. So stay tuned. So one of the reasons I wanted to show this home with you today is because I think many people have overlooked this property. Now, it's been on the market for a long time. It was initially on the market in April, which was 5 months ago, and was priced for $422,200. It has had several price drops over the past few months, and the most recent one was just a week ago. The price is now $369,900, which is an overall reduction of over $50,000. Now, one thing that is significant about this new price is that the current owner bought this property 3 years ago for $20,000 more than its current list price. So it is surprising to see that this house has actually declined in value over the past 3 years, and that's why I feel that the market may be overlooking this property. Now, the quality of the finishes in the property are exceptional. The home still seems to be in really great condition, and the neutral tones throughout are very appealing. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom unit, and there are a total of 6 units in the building. So let's take a closer look. So I hope you've enjoyed this property tour. I think this unit is great, it's light, it's airy, and it's finished really well. If you'd like to know more about this property or any others, please do reach out to me. I am a licensed real estate broker in the states of Oregon and Washington. Please do subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and until next time, thanks for watching.